Join me as I explore how emotional detachment impacts mental health and relationships. Did you know that emotional detachment can lead to anxiety and depression in relationships? It's a pretty staggering statistic, and it's something that affects millions of people around the world. Emotional detachment is the inability to connect with others on an emotional level, and it can have a profound impact on our mental health within relationships. When we're emotionally detached, we struggle to form deep and meaningful connections with others, and this can lead to feelings of loneliness, isolation, and disconnection. When individuals struggle with emotional detachment in their relationships, it can be incredibly challenging for everyone involved. The person who is emotionally detached may struggle to understand and validate their partner's emotions, which can lead to feelings of resentment and frustration. Meanwhile, their partner may feel unheard, unseen, and uncared for, which can be incredibly damaging to their mental health. Emotional detachment can also lead to a lack of intimacy and connection in a relationship, which can be incredibly difficult to overcome. When we're not able to connect with our partner on an emotional level, we may feel like we're just going through the motions of a relationship without any real substance or depth. This can lead to feelings of boredom, stagnation, and disconnection, and it can be incredibly difficult to overcome. Additionally, emotional detachment can lead to a lack of emotional support in a relationship, which can be devastating during difficult times. When we're not able to connect with our partner on an emotional level, we may not be able to offer each other the support and comfort that we need during challenging times. This can make it feel like we're facing difficulties alone, rather than as a team. Emotional detachment can also manifest in different ways, such as avoidance of intimacy or difficulty expressing emotions. When we're emotionally detached, we may avoid intimate situations or conversations because they make us feel uncomfortable or vulnerable. We may also struggle to express our emotions in a healthy and productive way, which can lead to feelings of resentment and frustration. For example, someone who is emotionally detached may have difficulty saying, "I love you," or expressing their feelings in a romantic relationship. They may feel like they're being vulnerable or open, and this can be uncomfortable for them. Similarly, they may avoid intimate conversations or situations because they don't know how to navigate them in a healthy way. Emotional detachment can also manifest as a lack of emotional expression or validation. When we're emotionally detached, we may not know how to express our emotions in a healthy and productive way, or we may not validate our partner's emotions because we don't know how to connect with them on an emotional level. This can lead to feelings of resentment and frustration, and it can be incredibly damaging to a relationship. Furthermore, emotional detachment can have a profound impact on the dynamics and health of a relationship. When we're not able to connect with our partner on an emotional level, we may struggle to resolve conflicts or communicate effectively. This can lead to feelings of resentment and frustration, and it can be incredibly damaging to a relationship. In fact, emotional detachment can affect not only the individual, but also the relationship as a whole. When we're not able to connect with our partner on an emotional level, we may struggle to build trust, intimacy, and connection in our relationship. This can lead to feelings of disconnection and isolation, and it can be incredibly difficult to overcome. In conclusion, addressing emotional detachment is crucial for mental well-being in relationships. By acknowledging and working on our emotional detachment, we can build stronger, more meaningful connections with others and improve our overall mental health. If you've struggled with emotional detachment in your relationships, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on mental health and relationships.